Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to enable dark mode in Yahoo Mail application using your mobile device. To enable dark mode in Yahoo Mail, first of all launch open the Yahoo application on your device and sign in with your credentials. After you are signed into the main homepage of Yahoo Mail, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Now, as soon as you open up the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on dark mode. Select dark mode from the list and you will then be able to change your Yahoo Mail's theme into a dark color. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.